Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and you're watching my channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and Education for Us All. So, welcome to this segment once again, which is Cooking Made Simple. So, another very, very simple recipe that I used to make an awful lot at university, and I call it survival food as always because it really is simple. So, recipes. So, we've got a little some onions there. I think that's one onion. This is potato. It has already been fried or half fried, shall we say. Okay, so as you can see, I hope you can tell it's quite oily, but that's always a good idea because it'll bake a lot quicker then. So we've got some tomatoes, and we're going to have some eggs, and we're going to have some cheese, and as always, spices to suit. So can we put the tomatoes and the onions into the mix, please? So all we do is put it in there, and the onions. Just give that a nice mix. So we're going to add some cheese to that, please. So as much as you would like. So spices to suit. We love chili. Have some chili over that. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. So I'm going to give that a good mix so that the chilies and everything blends in. So as you can see, we just crack the eggs and put the whole amount over there. Can we have so this is going to have 4, one over here and one over here. Okay, and can we have some salt and pepper on there, please?
Salt and pepper.
Just on the eggs, just on the eggs.
Okay.
And salt to taste. Okay, so as I said, the potatoes were pre-fried, so hopefully this will be ready in 20 minutes. So I'm going to put that into the oven. And there we have it, viewers, our wonderful egg and potato bake. So this is for 4 people. Let's have a taste. Okay, that looks scrumptious. So I like these quite well done, but if you like it softer, you could take it out a lot earlier. Yeah, that is lovely. So there we have it, viewers. I do hope you will try my recipe. So until the next time, I say thank you for watching. Please keep watching. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.